Hi, hey, hello, this is teacher Aliona. Welcome to my YouTube channel where we are learning a lot of cool vocabulary. We're mastering your grammar, writing, listening, speaking, and of course we master your American accent and pronunciation. Before we move forward, I would like to thank you all for your subscriptions, likes, and comments. I incredibly appreciate it. It does help to support my channel. Lego! My neighbors probably don't even know that this superstar is living nearby. This is the time of colorful foliage, crisp air, the first frost, and pumpkin spice. It's many people's favorite season, and it's the only one with more than one commonly used name. But what to call it? Autumn or fall? And what came first? Prepare for the dawn of the sweater weather with some insights into the origins of fall and autumn, and even older names for this season. Let's begin with a quick summary. The names autumn and fall are both correct and very commonly used. Autumn is thought to be slightly older, appearing in the early 1300s. Of course, in reference to leaves falling off trees. And even earlier name for the season is harvest. Where does the word autumn come from? The word autumn comes from the French automne, from the Latin autumnus, whose deeper roots are obscure. It's first recorded in the English language as early as the late 1300s. Notably, Shakespeare used these words in his works. Today, speakers of American English commonly use both fall and autumn, though fall has become more common in the US by the late 1800s. Speakers of British English commonly use autumn or autumn season. Why is it actually called fall? Use of the word fall as the name of the third season of the year comes from as early as the 1500s. The name is thought to originate in the phrase "the fall of the leaf," in the reference of the time of the year when trees shed their leaves. The name of its inverse season, spring, is thought to come from the spring of the leaf, the time when everything is blossoming. The name fall was commonly used in England until 1600s, when it was ousted by autumn. When is fall? In the Northern Hemisphere, fall is roughly between August and November. In the Southern Hemisphere, the seasons are flipped. Fall is roughly between the end of March and the end of June. And what is the older name for fall and autumn season? The earliest known name in English is harvest. It comes from Old English word herfest of Germanic origin, perhaps with an underlying ancient sense of picking or plucking, as in picking fruits to harvest them. Eventually, the use of harvest as the name of the season fell out of use, instead becoming used for the period of time when ripened crops are harvested, gathered for processing and winter storage. And to end this video, I would like to share my favorite fall/autumn idiom. It sounds like autumn years. It refers to later years of someone's life, usually retired ones. We can also say sunset years, by the way.
All this time you've had my number and you wait until our sunset years to use it?
In her autumn years, the Queen has had to rebrand the monarchy.
I can't decide what is my actual dream about my sunset autumn years. Either spend it in my cottage in Spain near the ocean, or partying hard somewhere in one of the clubs of New York. What about you? Leave a comment below. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Tell me if you liked this video, if it was useful for you, if you liked a little bit of history from English language. I will highly appreciate your feedback. One last thing, be safe, sound, and see you around. Love ya! Mwah.